That's how I've been doing it because I didn't get the crank because the hand crank goes in here and I told people too that I don't think I can even actually get it spin over fast enough by hand crank. It's something different. I try to buy the oddball stuff so you don't see all that.
Grandpa left it.
Yeah.
You talk about your grandpa out of it.
You did nothing, threw nothing away.
Grandpa, he had a barn. Everything was contained in the barn in the fence row, and then after the project, he got rid of most of it. Because it was so easy by that time. He lived there for years, so he knew where to find what he needed no matter what. Yeah, it doesn't matter if he had it. Yeah, go over here and there's Don, there's, Jim Bob. It's
You know, you're coming down the path there, you know, filming some really nice engines, unusual, old, odd engines, one of a kind, rare. And then you come up on
And he bought that engine and dropped on it. So the original one was 27, this is 29.
a traffic stopper.
1974 Wheelhorse transmission.
What I'm talking about.
Cut it, extended it, built the subframe on there to handle the weight and the torque. Yep. And then jack shaft up front. It's got a brake. This is a clutch brake in the back. There's the steering. This is what used to raise and lower it out of the ground. That pedal there for the foot flex, there was 2 of them, and that's what you put your feet on. And if you didn't have enough in your britches, slam down on those and you get your whole body into it and pull it out of the ground with that lever. Definitely get your calf muscle burning. So, you know, you switch it back and forth from your hand to your foot, or a combination of both. 2 hours raise will get you.
No battery required.
No, he sold it to. He's like, it's yours, but you can't have it. You can't buy it until I'm dead. A year and a half later, I told his wife, you didn't do that, did you? Oh, no. Trying to get the motor back. I don't get my engine back.
Still haven't tried to plant that corn yet.
Wow.
You got a tag on that. 156 pounds. That's what it said.
I don't know if I believe it. Out of Geneva or Bern?
I was at Pennville.
You were in Pennville.
East Pennville out there.
Okay.
They used to farm out there at the time.
Really?
Yep.
Really?
And, I knew it needed a bunch of work and stuff, and so I wasn't going to mess with it.
Yeah.
You know. And he come along and said he wanted to buy it because I had it sitting out there, but it didn't have a second for sale. It was just sitting there. He happened to go buy it.
Oh, we stopped at everybody's farm.
And then he wanted to see
everybody.
that, and I said, yeah, I'll sell that to you. And so that's pretty good. I never did see it running. I seen it here on display, but I hadn't seen it running.
What did he pay for it?
I think he gave me $50 for it.
That's what I thought I remembered.
Yeah.
I'm Colt Pace.
All right, Earl Geisman.
Pleasure.
Yes.
Pleasure.
I'll fire the horses.
buddy. I don't, brother.
I fired the horses, you know. And some. I had a John Deere 60 that I used for the heavy stuff.
Yeah.
But I had a team of horses that I used for everything, you know. It only had
It was a game for us to see what we could find driving around anywhere.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
He's like, you see that old farm all behind the barn? No, I didn't. Maybe it's for sale. We should stop. He's like, well, I think you should go to the door and I'll stay in the truck this time.
Yeah.
You know, you never
that
knew.
funny?
Yeah. So I was 10 years old, 12 years old, and we man, yeah.
Yeah, I was south of there was a church up on the
These were in the barn and not used, and that's why they were in such a good part. That's the reason. Or what's it all about? Because this is, those are original. The only thing he did was galvanize them and put the stickers on. Yeah. That's the story I remember. They were in the barn. Most people did.
Yeah, most people did.
couple of videos back. Would have been the amount of engines that was on this trailer, open space, and to that end, noticing Elijah Jr. scored that at 122 right there. The word is it's going to be a pulling tractor, so put the word out there. He's coming for you. Mirabelle, Tennessee. Shop dogs. Yeah, it's pretty clean. It's in really good shape. It has original fenders with it. All for cleanup there. I think this corn sheller right here. You know what? Yeah, this is it. This corn sheller right here. Up here at this Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Show, this thing got a lot of press, so to speak. A lot of people was interested in this, and I think the deterrent was like, at one time, there's been a rat chewed the side. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know if that had any deterrent on the purchase of the thing to put a board over it with a nail in it, but we brought it home anyways. So the other one was found a new caretaker, a new addition, delivered from the local area to that show now back to Tennessee. Bone grinder, just saying. And a cement mixer. Everybody has to have a cement mixer. Well, I wouldn't say everybody, but we got a rollable bore, drill. Oh, I didn't know about that. I don't think. With this type post drill, you can drill quite a large hole with great success with them things. And a changeover kit for that Cub Cadet over there. A changeover kit, if I may, well, just go ahead and tell you about it. It takes consequences later. Design change. I'm just saying. Cub Cadet. Enjoy.